In this video, we're going to learn how to create a simple construction logo. Right, this logo is going to be for a construction company. And in this video, we're going to learn the beauty of stroke. We're going to learn how to use stroke very well and how it beautifies our logo and our design. We're also going to learn how to remove background, which we have learned previously in this video. We're also going to learn how to add text and how to make our text TVD. Right, how to make our text TVD. So the basic things we're going to be learning in this video. So let's jump right in and change this design to a default design. So this is what you see when you come into pixelLab. And the first one we'll be doing, we want to be editing our text. We'll go over to the text layer and click the edit button. So now we're going to clean the text and add our text. So the name of the company I'm going to be using, name builders. Okay, we have builders right there. So also what I want to be doing next, we want to be changing our font. So I'll go over to my fonts which are downloaded. So I have this font named American Kestrel. Right, in previous video I gave a tutorial on how to add fonts to pixelLab, and also if you need a font, it can be added to the project. So this is the builders. Now click OK. Now let's increase the padding because of the builders not completely show the Z. Let's increase the padding. So increase the right padding and good over there. So we want to position this just around close to the bottom. I also want to increase the size. Okay, nice and good over there. So now we want to be bringing in our image that I want to edit for our logo. But before we do that, one vital thing that we need to do is change our image size. So we're going to over here and go over to image size. We're going to change the size into 120 by 720, which is also a YouTube thumbnail. A size for a YouTube thumbnail, 120 by 720 is a nice size when you want to design a logo for a client. So hit that. So we have this over here, builders. You see, so we have more space now for our design. So I'm going to increase the text size even more. Okay, so we have 57, 58. 58 is okay. So next one we'll be doing here, we're going to be importing our image we're going to be using. So go over to the image tool. I'm going to hit import. So I'm going to go over to my Google Photos now to get an image that is related to construction. Because we're building this for a construction company. So I'll go over to my pictures. Right now I'm going to get the image over here. So we have our image nice and good over there. So what I want to be doing, we draw image to the center. We want to increase the sizing of this image. Right, we want to increase the sizing. So after that, what we want to do, we want to remove the background of this image. The background color should be erased. So go back to erase color. We enable this. We're going to pick our color. We want to erase. We're going to choose black. Which is on the black screen. To hit pick color. I'm going to increase the tolerance to 15. It's okay. So that's nice. So you look, our image looks a little bit distorted. So let's go over to stroke. Now I was talking in the beginning of the video, I was talking about the beauty of stroke. Let's add a stroke to this image and see how it looks like. Right, so this is a white stroke. So you want to go over and choose a black stroke, a stroke that really matches with it. Nice, right? Looks very beautiful. The image has turned into a lot more nice side design. So we have our image over here using the stroke of black. So what I want to be doing, I want to add the builders. I want to be adding the builders even to this image. Right, let's pause this here. First, let's move the builders to the center. Relative position, let's bring it to the center. Then the next one to do, let's lock it so it won't affect when we're designing the builders. Now, once we want to do, we'll bring the builders to the front. Okay, bring it to the front. We'll take it to the back, any of our choice. So what I want to be doing, we want to add our builders. So what I want to be doing now, I want to increase the text sizing. But before that, I want to also move the position upward a bit. Okay. Okay, nice over there. The next thing I want to be doing now, I want to give this a texture. I'm going back to my photos, so choose a texture for the image. Right over to my pictures. Now I'm going to use the texture that we used for the logo. So we need this texture, right? Alright. Let's try positioning this. So we only get mainly our building. That is what we mainly need. Okay, just try capturing our building. I'll go to go. So I've added the texture. I'm going to click maintain ratio. Right. The next thing I want to be doing, I want to give this a stroke. I'm going to give the text a stroke. So we're going to enable stroke. So this is what I mean by stroke. But we're going to be using a gradient. So go over to gradient. So this is the first, the second, the third. So I'm going to be using the third gradient over here. But if you don't want this gradient, you can choose any gradient of your choice by hitting the plus icon. Nice. I'm going to go on with this gradient. Right. So also you can also give your building, let's key that, you can also give your building any gradient of your choice. If we head over to stroke, you can choose any color of your choice for that. So I'm done with the logo over here. You can head over to the texture and you can really check on what fits our design we need over here. Let me just go back a bit. Okay, and the next thing that I want to be doing here is to make this into a 3D shape. So we head over to 3D test, enable this. Nice. The next one I want to be doing, I want to rotate this. So we take the y axis, $5. That is okay. That is okay. Nice and good over there. The next one I'll be doing, I want to merge the text to the image. So click the mesh tool. We have meshed them. They are one, right? We can increase the sizing as we want. So right, the next one to do, head over to the image section. I want to emboss this. Reduce the bevel. Increase the specular hardness. And use the bevel of 4. And increase specular hardness. The lightning. Focus the lightning so it should simulate coming from up. I'm using a light angle of 116 degrees. Okay, we're done with that part. Now the next two we want to be doing, we just want to add our background. So head over to the background section. Using the background tool, we hit to add our image from gallery. Head over to my photos. Head over to pictures. I'm going to choose this image over there. Okay, here we have it. Our simple logo has been complete for building company. So the last one, they want to add our watermark. Okay, I want to also make mine black. Okay, let me go with the gradient. Position it at the extreme end. Nice and good over there. So the next one I'll be doing, I want to save this now as image. Make sure you use under the quality, use the ultra quality, and you hit save to gallery. Then we are done. The image is going to display in your gallery. That's how to just create a simple building construction logo on pixelLab. So image has been saved. You head over to our gallery. Files, you're going to see your image over here. Right, head over to your files. You'll see your image over there. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.